Mama loves her mouse app. Look, Meow. Where is it? Where is it?
If you have a cat, you should get it.
Yeah.
But if it is...
Where is it? Get it! There it is.
It's only 99 cents.
Yes. Get it. Where is it? No, let it play the thing. Look, where is it? There it is. It's squeaking at you.
Don't scratch my iPad, Baba.
Well, you've got a cover on it.
Yeah, she's biting it. Don't bite it.
Yeah. Get it. She said, I'm going to watch it. Oh, it went under my tail. Oh, where did it go? It's under your body. She said, where did it go? I can't see where it went. Have a look, Meow. There it is. There it is. Where's it gone? I keep missing it. She said it doesn't squeak anymore. What happened? I want a real mouse.
It doesn't work.
Why? Has it stopped squeaking? Oh, there. It needs to be a cat paw. She said, I'm so tired now. I don't want to play anymore. Are you tired, Ma? She said, Buggy says, I'm too tired for this. I'm too tired for it. Too tired. I think she's too tired.
Yeah.
It's another day. Time to get moving. We've just had some breakfast.
Are we walking? No, we're not.
No.
Okay.
Not today. It's the weekend. And she said, she said, what happened to it? Give her a smoochie. Give her a smoochie.
Get in the blanks, Meow.
She said, no, I got fur on. It's too hot.
There's your blankie back. Where'd you go?
She said, I'm hiding. She's purring. Oh, she's a purry bottom. Alright, we'll stop this and better go and have a shower and start cleaning the house. So we didn't get time last weekend. We were so flat chat.
No, we done a garage sale.
We did the garage sale and everything else. And
Catching
country music weekend and all that sort of business. So the house is atrocious.
The cat had some crap in it.
I would love to stay here and play with her Meow Meow all day. Madison probably will. She's like, what? What are you talking about? I don't ain't got time for that. Alright. So ta-ta.